Freshman year, my dad wanted a duck call for Christmas, and as a broke college student, I was like, I need to figure out how to make a call. I thought it was just going to be like, all right, I'll just CAD something up, 3D print it, and won't take much effort at all. And I found out it was a lot harder than I thought it was going to be, and there's a lot of variables that go into making a good duck call. I would buy cheap calls, expensive calls, and then see how they're constructed, what I like, what I didn't like. That was kind of how I got the basis of how a duck call works, right? And then from there, I just started tinkering and made it my own. I'll have my 3D image that I want to make an STL of, and the printer will make the barrel and the insert. And so the barrel is what you put on your mouth, and then the insert, it's essentially what makes the sound of the call. I will also 3D print the cork. The cork is what holds the reed to the tone board. And then to make the reed, I use my laser cutter here. And then from there, I'll take it all to my toning desk, and the shape of the tone board dictates the sound. So I'll sand it in different spots to change the sound and throw it all together, blow it, and then see how it sounds, and then manipulate it from there. To be able to start a business at school is something I never would have dreamed of. I went to the BIC. I didn't even know how to run a printer. And the fact that I had people there willing to help me and teach me that process, it never felt like it was one of those things where I was on my own. I keep doing it because I love it. In my head, I visualize this thing and I can make it. When you produce this finished product, it's almost a sense of pride. It's really funny that it all started with just a simple request, but how that flourished into a network of friends and experiences that are untradeable. It's a journey, and it's a super fun journey at that.